today's video we're going to be looking at the portable LCD digital microscope, 12 megapixel camera, high definition, high speed, portable, multi-purpose, and it has a video camera. So let's take a look in the box. And the first thing we see is the screen with the attached microscope. So we'll take that out of the box. And underneath the plastic is a USB cable. The one that comes with the microscope is quite short, so I've replaced it with the longer one. And there's also a stand and a base unit. So starting with the base unit, at the back you can see it's got a adjustable holder for the stand, and the stand itself has a threaded section at the bottom with a locking nut. So we can just go ahead and screw that into the base unit and lock it in place with the locking nut. Then we're simply sliding the microscope into the ring and doing up the two securing bolts on either side. And that's the microscope all put together. We can now plug in the USB cable in to the side, and on the side you have the USB, the SD card, and a switch for dimming and brightening the lights of the microscope. So we'll just go ahead and plug this into a power source. The stand can be adjusted with a 13mm spanner. So we'll just go ahead and tilt that back a little bit so we can see better. And we can now see the control panel for the screen, starting with the power button. Menu button. There's two menus, but we won't go through them today. Underneath that is the digital stills camera. And on the other side is the zoom in and zoom out, and it can go to 4 times and down to 1 times. And then we have the video start and stop button, and in the middle is the focus ring. Okay, so we've now switched it on, and you can see it's got a 1080p picture. And if we just put the spanner in place, you can see very clearly the writing on the spanner. But when you're recording, it only records the 1 times picture. You can't zoom in and zoom out on the recording. And we can use it for photo etch and, in this case, small decals. Examining small bits, checking the paintwork, and really just to magnify anything that we need magnification for, even if it's just to read text on a tube of glue. So that's the basic overview. It's ideal for what we want it for, which is for photo etch, mainly. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.